Hi, I'm Prisca Pyngrope, having locomotor disability. I use a wheelchair wherever I go and I like to be independent. I travel within the city using local transports and I like doing that. But the buses are not accessible, but to save money and time, I use my two locally made handsticks for me to climb up the bus since I cannot enter with my wheelchair. In the video you will see how I use the locally handstick to climb on the bus and with the help of the conductor to take my wheelchair in and out of the bus.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.